This session, we see the quick shot using C++. The quick shot algorithm is a divide and conquer algorithm. It divides input array in two partitions and called itself for the two partitions perform recursively and in place the sorting while doing so. So we can separate the partition function is used for performing this in-place sorting at every iteration. Uh, Normally, in this sorting time, the partition of list is performed based on the element called pivot. Here, the pivot element is one of the element in the list, and we can take the value of the uh, middle element or left element or right element as a pivot, but it can any value which is in the range of shorted values, even if doesn't present in the array. For example, here uh, there are the three types of range of elements here. Uh, in shortly, we the meaning of quick shot is if we want to arrange the students in smaller to taller in a classroom means just we have to pick the student if he's or smaller go then we have to arrange to go that side, then if a person in taller means he just we have to call to go that side for arranging the students by height wise. So this is the easy way to arrange the students for class assembly. The same thing we can shorting the value based on pivot value. So in this array element, it is 10, 80, 90, 60, 30, 20. These are the elements here in the array list. Just we pick up the element. The 10 is the choose as a pivot because it is lesser than the old value. So we have to easy to pick out the pivot value in left side. In second element, there are this element. Here we see that element. We choose the 9 is the pivot because the 9 is the greater than all the element. So we choose 9 as a pivot in right side. For third element, uh, group of element, from this element we pick uh, 10 as a pivot because here that is a mid value. So here that from 10 from the left side these are the smaller than this pivot, and right side these are the greater than this pivot. So we can easily choose the pivot as in middle thing, and we have to sort the uh, element easy way. So in quick shot we have choose the pivot in any way, that is left side or right side or mid value. Then for quick shorting we have to follow the recursion step for shorting an element. First we choose a pivot value, we take a value from left or right or mid value. Then after we have to partition for rearrange the element in such a way that all elements which is lesser than the pivot means it go to left part of the array, and all elements is greater than the pivot means it go to right part of an array. So the value is equal to the pivot means it can stay in any part of the array. Then after partition an array, we have to sort both part left and right by applying quicksort algorithm recursively to the left and right part. We have to sort the array easily. Then these are the steps we can follow for partitioning the list. In first step, we already seen consider the first element or any element as a list as a pivot. Then we have to define the two variable I and j, that is low and high. From the pivot, the one corner as represent as a low value and another corner as represent as anything. So one corner is I and another corner is j. Then set I and j to the first and last element of the list. Then increment I until the list of I is greater than pivot. That is, the I value can be greater than pivot. The condition can be check. If it is check, and the second one is we have to consider j, that is the list of j is less than pivot. So the jth list is less than pivot condition. If it is satisfied, so the two things, the two first, third step and fourth step is satisfied means we can exchange the I and jth value. So if I is less than j means it can be swapping of two elements consideredly. Then repeat the steps 3, 4 and 5 until I greater than j. From the list of the series, you can repeat the step until I greater than j and exchange the pivot element with the list. Then we have to get a one pivot, sorry, exact element for partitioning the list. Here we considered one example. This is one of the list for unsorted list of an element. Here we choose 5 is a pivot, and here we considered the list left side as an I and right side as a j. We can indicate if we consider we can check the condition I greater than pivot element 5 and 7 less than pivot element. So we compare these two things one by one from specify from the algorithm. So we check whether the list of the left side is greater than pivot value. If it is greater than, yes, it is greater, but in right side, j is less than 5 pivot value. No, it is not satisfied. Then the left is greater than or equal to right means no, it is not satisfied. So the two things stable in the same array. Then we have to increment the ith value and increment the jth value, and finding the 8 comes left side and 2 comes right side. Then we can check the left side, that is I value can be greater than pivot value 5. If it is satisfied, yes, 8 is greater than 5, then 2 is less than 5, that is right element less than 5, yes, it is 2 is less than 5. So we check x, the left is greater than or equal to right side. Yes, this is also satisfied condition. So we can exchange the element left to right. So the value of 2 can comes to the left side and 8 goes to right side. So the formation of list is changed 5, 3, 2, 1, 4, 6, 8, 7. Then the left of element can be incremented to first one, and right side it can be moved to 6. Then it will be check whether the left side, the one greater than 5, and the check 6 is less than 5. So the two conditions not satisfied. So the one is moved to 4. That is, the left is comes to 4. Then the 6 is goes to 4. Now we consider then the left position comes to 4, and right position also comes to 4. So the left and right positions are remains on same position, and check the from the pivot value. If the left is greater than pivot, and right is less than pivot, so the right is less than pivot is satisfied. So the fourth value can be interchange from 1 5 to 4 and 4 to 5. So the left and right both elements can be interchanged. So the pivot value can be moved to the this position, fourth position, and the value of 4 can be go to first position. So here now we mm, the partition will be happened. Then now the partition of the pivot, here the 5 is from the 5, the left side of all the elements could be less than the pivot element, and right side is greater than the pivot element. Now it is uh, placed in the correct position for partitioning the number. Then we have to sort recursively from left side and right side for rearranging the position for ordering the list. So in left sublist, there are no smaller than the pivot left. Will keep on moving the next and stop the last number. So in right side, there are greater than 5, but we have to sort repeatedly and moves from left to right, and swapping the position right right correct position, and finally we can rearrange the sublist and storing the value to the correct way and sort the list. Here the complexity of the quick sort algorithm, the worst case is order of n square, and how it can be calculated means by to sorting an unsorted list with n number of elements to make the sequence n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus n minus 3 plus etc plus 1. So we can number of comparison in the worst case is n into n minus 1 divided by 2. So the best case is order of n into log n, and average case is order of n log n. When I compiled the algorithm in C++ compiler, to partition function and the quickshot function can be declared. In main function, we have to getting an array and calling the function the quickshot for shorting the purpose. Then return the value for after shorting the value. In function definition, the quickshot for partition part, we can call array and left side and lower value and u value, and shorting left side part and shorting right side part. For recursion phase, we can call the quickshot of function on left partition sublist and quickshot of function on right partition sublist. And for a division phase, we can define the function as to divide the array list into two halves for finding the pivot point to perform the partition list in place of shorting happen in the partition process. And the partition process itself, if left side that the ith value, if the ith value is greater than j, that is the from the pivot value, so it can, and the jth value is less than j means, so it can be automatically swapping itself. Then uh, the the shorting can be repeated continuously until the left position is greater than or equal to right. Now we can compile the program for run. How many elements we have to added? 7 elements I have to add for shorting element. First element is 45, 23, 76, 12, 10, 56, 51. So from the 7 element, the quick shot will be shorted ascending order. Thank you.